Hello traders, welcome back to another Forex analysis for the upcoming week from the 24th to 28th. So before I go into the analysis, I would like to show the trade we took last week, how it played out. So last week I was saying I was like going to trade AUD USD because I think price was at this point, price was here, so I was like anticipating for price to give a retest of this zone to take the price to the upside, but price didn't do that, so we skipped on that. So I caught a trade on GBP JPY. So let me show you guys. I spotted this area of interest, which is here, this zone here, which has been used as support in the past. So I waited for the price to retrace to that point, then I went down to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, price was all choppy at this moment, so I was just sitting on my hands doing nothing, waiting for the perfect setup to like come up. So I think in the morning of Wednesday, 7 o'clock, then I spotted this reversal pattern over here, which was the head, then the right shoulder and the breakout. So I spotted it, then I jumped down to 30 minutes, then I took the trade, and the rest was history. We made a lot of money from this trade, so it's a 2.3 risk to reward ratio. So let's head to the pair that I'm looking to trade for the upcoming week. So as you can see here, we have AUD USD, and this is the weekly time frame. So you can see for the past 3 weeks we have been having consecutive push to the upside. So to at least to this point should be having bullish movement in the market for the weekly time frame to like balance again. I think this is a pullback for a retest of this zone. So what I'm waiting to do is, on the daily we can see a good retest of this area of interest, and price has closed bearishly into the zone. So what I'm anticipating for the upcoming week is for price to like open, liquidate the daily lows, then we'll have a push to the upside. Then going back down to the 1 hour time frame, what I want to see here is simple. I want to see price do something like this, breakout, retest, then to take the price to the upside. This is for AUD USD. It's very simple. If price does this move perfectly. So again, what do we have again? I have GBP JPY. This is the daily time frame. Now price has closed below this strong area of interest, which has been in the past used as support. Then what I want price to do is to open and pull back, then for a sell continuation. That is on the daily time frame. Then on the 1 hour, it's going to look like this. Initially I wanted to take like use an aggressive entry on this zone. Once price pulls back to this point to take it down, but no, I will no longer do that. I want to wait for a fresh price action, pushing up to the upside like this, then give a shift of structure to take the market to the downside. This is for GBP JPY. It's very simple, as you can see. Then we have NZD card. NZD card is interesting because on the weekly is bullish because of this huge move to the upside. The weekly is bullish. All of these price action are eternal market structure. Then on the dailies, where I saw something that looked so beautiful that made me add this pair to the pairs I will be trading next week. So this is a very beautiful reversal pattern, left head and the right shoulder, and this is the breakout. So what I'll be waiting for is the retest or the neckline of the head and shoulder to take price to this, at least to this point. So this is why I have NZD card on the watch list. So what I'll be waiting for is a pull back to the downside, then a shift of structure to take the price to the upside. So this is for NZD card. Then again, I have USD CHF, which is okay, yeah, USD CHF. So I also spotted, I'm also looking at a reversal pattern here in a different form on the daily time frame. This is the breakout. This is the breakout of the neckline. So what I'll be waiting for is a retest again. With this retest, I'm not satisfied with this current retest we had. Need a blue candle to pull up close, then before we can sell. And on the 1 hour time frame is going to look like this. The 1 hour time frame need a fresh price action. It's going to look like this. This is what I want to see before I take the USD CHF trade. Then again, I have CHF JPY. CHF JPY is not so clear at the moment. So what I want to see is I need a daily confirmation. I want the daily to close outside of the zone, then a pullback to continue selling CHF JPY. So these are the pairs I have for next week. We have AUD USD for buys, GBP JPY pullback for sales, NZD card pullback for buys, USD CHF pullback for sales, CHF JPY breakout close, retest to sell. So this is the pair I have for the upcoming week. Thank you guys for watching.